everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to recover your Locket account without losing your photos. Now if you have deleted the app, switched phones or logged out accidentally, don't worry, all your photos are linked to your account, not the device. First of all, go to your app store, search for Locket widget and then install it. Now when it's done, enter the exact same email or phone number you used when you first created your account. This is crucial. Your photos and friends are listed to that number. Now sometimes if you recently just deleted the app, your app will log you in directly without asking anything. But if you have deleted it or lost your account or logged out of it, then you have to enter the exact phone number you used or the email you first created the account. This is crucial. Your photos are and friends list are tied to that number. You'll receive an SMS code, type it and log back in with your original Locket account. If you don't get that code, wait a minute, then tap recent or temporarily switch networks, Wi-Fi to mobile data. Next, what you're gonna do is tap allow for photos, cameras and notifications. This ensures your previous data syncs are correctly once the account is restored. Once you're logged in with the same number, all your sent and received Locket photos will reappear. They're stored in Locket servers, not locally on your device. Privacy tip: never share your verification code or account number with anyone. Your entire Locket's history is tied to that single login. And quick fix: if your photos do not show up after logging in, force close and reopen the Locket app. Make sure your app is updated and to the latest version from the App Store. If you recently changed the phone numbers, contact Locket support to migrate your data. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.